Okay. Hey, welcome back. Let's get on with it. Make sure you guys are saving your work as you go. Let's make our, this is going to be the top of the dashboard at the end for our dashboard where it has all the sales and such. So let's get into it. We're going to make two calculated fields off the bat. We're going to make a profit per order and a sales per customer calculated fields. So let's go to analysis and click C, your calculated field here. And this one is going to be called profit per order. Okay, we want the profit per order. So that's going to be the sum of the profit over the count D for distinct, the count D of the order ID. Right, and that's it for that one. The calculation is valid. You know we're good to go. Click OK. Let's make our second one. Create calculated field, analysis calculated field, and then we're going to do this one as the sales per customer. Okay, and this one is going to be the sum of the sales over the count D of the customer name. There it is. And you know you're good when you have the calculation is valid. Click OK. All right, so this is going to be the total sales sheet. So let's rename it while we're here. Call this one total sales. Okay. And on this section, we want all of the measure names. So let's take measure names and throw it into columns. Ooh, that's not great. Measure names and throw it into total sales. No. You want measure values into columns. Measure values into total sales. There it is. Measure names. Just drag it onto the sheet, and then let's switch it over to the columns. Okay, there it is. And let's start organizing it. So we want we want the sum of the sales to be first. So let's go over here on our side measure values card, and we want the sum sales to be the first measure. So we'll pull that up there. And then we want, let's see, sum profit next, right underneath that. Let's find the profit ratio and put that next. Here we go, profit ratio right underneath. Okay, good. And then let's do profit per order after that. Very good. Sales per customer after that. And then the average discount. Okay, we've got the sum of the discounts, so we'll change that in a second. So right underneath the sales per customer. And then we want the count of orders. No. We want the sum of the quantity, sum of quantity after discount. And that's it. So after discount, we're going to get rid of these other sections here. So let's take that one, drag it out, take that one, drag it out, take that one, drag it out, and take that one, drag it out. So we've just got these 6 ones here. Okay. I think we want it so that actually we wanted sum of quantity. So I'm going to Control Z and get sum of quantity back. There it is. So there. So those excuse me, those 7 different items there. Okay. The profit ratio is good. That's a percentage. So that's good. Profit per order, we want that in dollars. So let's find profit per order and find the formats. Oops, no. Let's see if we can find it here. Profit per order. Click the down arrow. Default properties. We want it to be in dollars. So let's go to currency custom to 0. It's fine. Same with sales per customer. Also change that one to dollar signs. The discount, I think we want as a percentage. So let's find discount and put that in as a percentage. Discount here, default properties, number format, change it to a percentage with 1 decimal place. Ooh, that's not right. Oh, that's what it is. We're doing the sum of the discount. We want the average of the discount. So go over to our marks card, or our card here on the side, and instead of measure sum, do measure average. And there it is. And then our quantity we can leave as is. Okay. They changed the format a little bit on there, so let's go over to format. Let's change the font to going to make it bold there and make it nice and big. Let's go with 14. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, that's it for this this worksheet. Let's make the last ones while we're at it. In the sales map, we're going to create a tooltip that shows the profit ratio by city. So let's create a new worksheet, and let's call this one. What did I say? Profit by city. So let's call this one Profit City. I wish I lived there. Profit City. And what do we want? We want the profit. So let's drag in profit, and let's break it down by city. So can we drag it in front of there? Okay, pretty close. But we want it to be a bar chart. So let's go over to our show me and click bar chart. That's good. I think we actually want it to be profit ratio. So I'm going to get rid of profit here and change it to profit ratio. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So we've got some, Abilene is pretty negative there. Okay, let's clean this up a little bit by organizing it from smallest to largest here at the top. So sort of ascending like that. We can also drag profit ratio into the colors. Okay, that's pretty good. We can also drag profit ratio into the label so we can see it right there. And let's change the colors again. So go to color, edit colors. We want it to be, let's go with that stepped color again. 6, go to advanced. We want it, anything over, anything, under -0.5, and we want to end at 0.5 in the center. Sure, that's fine at 0. Let's change it again to orange, blue diverging with 6 colors. Click OK. Okay, so it's pretty clear what's the most negative, and if we scroll down, we'll see what's most positive cities for profit ratio. Okay, let's drag profit city over next to sales map there, because we're going to be working with them together. Let's go ahead and take our sales map, go over to our sales map, and we're going to go to our tooltip. So click tooltip, and after the profit ratio, let's put a little space there. Go to insert, and we're going to insert that entire sheet, that profit city sheet. Click OK. And now when we hover over our different states, we can see what the profitability is in each city. So maybe we want, maybe we want the Medford guys over at the Medford store to talk to the Salem guys and say, this is what you guys are doing wrong. This is what made us profitable, and you guys should try it too. Okay. That's pretty much it before we do the dashboard. So let's go ahead and make our dashboard.